Our goal over the next 5 years is the same that has been from day one. We do business on a handshake. It is a couple of cowboys out in Calgary that, you know, do stuff that no one thinks that we can do. And the only thing we really sell is our employees, is our expertise. We don't manufacture anything ourselves. The only thing that we really have is you know, our honesty and our ability to put the right product into the right spot at the right time and service it well and just be honest. And, you know, at any time, if a customer wants to give John or I a call, our phone's always there, and we accept the call and we'll fix it. There's no multi-layers of bureaucracy and got a phone Toronto and then got a phone down to the States. You know, we're in Calgary, we're homegrown, homebred, and we'll get her done.
I think, you know, just like any small business, there are ups and downs, and there are times where, you know, Darryl and I looked at each other and said, you know, are we going to be able to make this work? We've taken a lot of sacrifice, both personally and probably financially, in order to continue to grow what we've created. It's something very proud that we've built. And yeah.
There's something that John said so John started the organization and I came on board, and you know, my first payday, I remember the day. And back in the day where we used to sign paychecks, and you know, John said there's no better day than payday. And I'm like, what are you talking about? All that money is coming out of our bank account. And you know, he's like, what we do today allows people to buy their house or pay for their car or take someone out for dinner. You know, we are supporting families, and you know, that really resounded to me, and you know, underlines what we're trying to do all the time, right? I mean, it's a struggle day in, day out. It's a struggle, and I still enjoy going to work every day, and I still enjoy those smiling faces. And we have a bigger building, and we have way more people and way more responsibility, but in the end, you know, it's I see, you know, instead of $10,000, it's a lot more going out every payday, and I'm still happy to see that money go out, because it means people are able to do stuff.